Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything I purchased at Planet Rhinestone and Axiland Rhinestone Depot when I was in downtown LA a few weeks ago, and then go over the prices and let you know where you can get the best bang for your buck. Let's do this. Okay, so to start off, let's start off with Planet Rhinestone. And then I'll go over everything with Axiland, and then we'll go over the cost of everything. So Planet Rhinestone, actually my husband got a lot of rhinestone transfers from there. They have some really nice ones, and he loves the skull transfers. So this is one that he got from there. This one I actually like too because it has purple in it. This is another one that he got from there. Then there's this one here, another skull. Like I said, yes, he loves the bling skulls. And another one here. And this one is similar to the purple one, but that one is really nice as well. And this one I thought was really nice. So this is a vinyl with a little bit of bling on there. So this is really, really nice. I like how that one was made. I'm gonna have to try and make one of those. And then this one, the tiger. And oh, these are the two that I purchased. So this one here. And I'll probably put this on a shirt for my daughter and give that one to her. And then the cards. So that are all the transfers that I purchased. So I'm trying to see. So this one was $15. This one was $13. And all of the skulls were 14. The lion was 12. The gold skull, this one here was 12. And this one was 15. And this one was 11. And this one was 8. So the transfers are very reasonably priced there. And I like that how they package them so they don't move. You don't have to worry about stones shifting or moving or anything like that. So if you're thinking about ordering some offline, just know that they will come secure. And I also got a large bag. These are the SS20 transparent stones. This bag was $60. So, and this is 100 gross bag. So $60 for the transparent, and these are glass transparent stones. And then I got just some other smaller colors or some smaller packs. So this one is just the yellow or the citrine. So this one here. And then I got 2 bags of the red. That one. And these small bags are $10. The yellow, this one doesn't have a price on here. Oh, $6.99. It's right there. So these were $6.99. These were $10. Then I got orange. This one was also $10. And then this is a smoked topaz. So this one is $10. And this one is a gold called Gold Shadow. That was also $10. So yeah, I just wanted to grab some different colors. And these are SS20. These are glass, so I'll be using these on tumblers. And then these are also glass SS20. Now, as far as Axiland, So I got some wax pencil heads. Can never have too many of those, especially if you're blinging tumblers. Need to have those on deck at all times. Let's go through the stones. So I got the yellow and I already started using it. I need to pour it into my jars, pour all these into jars. So that's one of the colors I got. This is the purple. And these are all hot fix, but you can use hot fix as glue on if you're working on a tumbler or something like that. So you can use the hot fix or the glass or the resin or the AB stones, the jellies. You can glue all those on, but you can also glue hot fix stones on. A lot of people didn't know that or thought you can only use them to press onto things. You can use it for both. So this one is green. This one is a light sapphire. I thought this color was really pretty. And then I got a lighter green. The other one was an emerald green. This one is more of a light green. I got an aquamarine blue. And a jet black. Jet black and crystal AB. I always have plenty of those. Those are always my go-to stones. This one is sun. So it's kind of like an orangish color. And then I have a darker sapphire. So that's that one. And then I got this one template or transfer. This one's $12 and this is the Medusa. I really like this one. There was another Medusa one that they had in there, but that one I like. So I'm going to press that probably onto a black shirt so it'll stand out really good. Now, let's go over prices. I already kind of went over the prices for everything I paid at Planet Rhinestone. So I ended up spending a total of $153 at Planet Rhinestone. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, I got 10 because I already pressed one of the transfers onto my husband's shirt. So 10 transfers, 1 bulk bag of stones, and then 7 small bags of stones came to $153. And I also am a part of their wholesale program. So I also got a discount. So that was the total with my discount. Now for Axiland, I got, well, this was $12. Each of the bags of these stones, and these are 50 gross bags. Let me just make, 50 gross bags. And each of these bags were $16. So all these were $16. And then the wax pen tips were $6.99. So $12 for my template, $16 for each of these, and basically $7 for this. So I got all of this, and this came to $160.56. So Axiland, $160, Planet Rhinestone, $153. So as far as the best bang for your buck, I would definitely say hands down Axiland Rhinestone. I mean, $16 for a 50 gross bag, whereas I paid what was this, $10, and this is, how many stones are in here? This is a 10 gross bag. So this is a 50 gross bag for $16, and this is a 10 gross bag for $10. So the math is not mathing, but I would definitely say you're going to get more bang for your buck. They have these stones, and they also have a crystallite, I think it's called crystalline or something like that, stones that they have. And those are actually around $20 to $22 per bag, depending on the color that you get. And so those, they actually come in a different bag than these, but those are their hot fix rhinestones as well. So I wanted to try these out. I usually purchase their other ones, but these, for the price, I mean, I couldn't go wrong. But again, $160 for all of this, $153 for all of this. Now, I did get a lot of transfers here, but as far as the rhinestones, the price is way better, and you're going to get more bang for your buck, more stones for your money. The transfers, I would say, are pretty much even. Theirs are anywhere from, I've seen some for $10, I've seen some for $15, $12. So I would say their transfers are pretty much similar in price, but the stones, there's going to be a difference in price, and that's why I would suggest Axiland Rhinestone Depot. The customer service there is also good. And they have much more than just the transfers and the rhinestones. They have vinyl, and they have so much other stuff, other things in their store. They also sell equipment now. They have presses and things like that. And they also have a rewards program where you could get 10% off. So this was the amount with the 10% off. With my discount, it took off $16.29. So once they added in taxes, then it came up to $160. So definitely sign up for their rewards program too, because you'll get a discount off of your total order, which is nice, saves you a few dollars. But I just wanted to show you guys everything that I purchased. If you have any questions about any of the items I purchased, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.